Bees are an incredibly important and fascinating species of insect that have played a critical role in the ecosystem for millions of years. Not only do they contribute to the pollination of many plants, they also produce honey and beeswax, which have been used by humans for a variety of purposes for centuries. In this essay, we will explore the incredible world of bees and the ways in which they contribute to our world. Bees are members of the order Hymenoptera, which also includes wasps and ants. They are best known for their role in pollination, which is the process by which plants transfer pollen from the male reproductive organs to the female reproductive organs in order to produce seeds. Bees are considered one of the most important pollinators in the world, as they are responsible for pollinating a wide variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In fact, it is estimated that bees are responsible for pollinating 1/3 of the world's food crops. The process of pollination is incredibly complex and fascinating. Bees are attracted to flowers by their colors, fragrances, and patterns, and they collect nectar and pollen from the flowers as they feed. As the bee moves from flower to flower, it transfers pollen from the male reproductive organs of one flower to the female reproductive organs of another. This process allows plants to reproduce and produce fruit and seeds, which are essential for the survival of many species. In addition to pollination, bees also produce honey and beeswax, which have been used by humans for centuries. Honey is produced by bees from the nectar they collect from flowers. The bees store the nectar in their honeycomb and use their wings to fan it, which causes the excess water to evaporate and the nectar to become thick and sweet. Beeswax is produced by worker bees, who secrete it from glands in their abdomen. The bees use the wax to build the honeycomb, which serves as a home for the colony. Unfortunately, bees are facing a number of challenges in the modern world. One of the biggest threats to bees is habitat loss, as many of the plants that bees rely on for food and shelter are disappearing due to urbanization, agriculture, and climate change. In addition, bees are also threatened by pesticides, which can be toxic to their delicate systems. This has led to a decline in bee populations in many parts of the world, which is concerning given the critical role that bees play in our ecosystem. To help protect bees, there are a number of steps that individuals and communities can take. Planting pollinator-friendly plants in your garden or on your balcony is one way to provide bees with the food and shelter they need. Avoiding the use of pesticides and herbicides is also important, as these chemicals can be harmful to bees and other pollinators. In addition, supporting local beekeepers by purchasing honey and beeswax products can help to promote sustainable beekeeping practices and ensure that bees have the resources they need to thrive. In conclusion, bees are a remarkable species of insect that play a critical role in our world. From pollination to honey production, bees are essential to the ecosystem and to human society. While they are facing a number of challenges in the modern world, there are steps that we can all take to help protect bees and ensure that they continue to thrive for generations to come.